Jacob. Jacob, do you have a bad cough? Oh, that's a bad cough. Do you need to go to the doctor? You want to go to the doctor? Is it a bad cough? Jacob. Oh. How do you feel? You think you should... Jacob. Oh. That's a bad cough. Let me hear your cough. Oh. How's your cough today? Do you feel sick? How's your cough? Do you have a bad cough? Do you have a bad cough today? Jacob. Hey, Jacob. Do you have a bad cough? Do you have a bad cough today? Huh? Oh. Jacob. That's a bad cough, huh? Oh, yeah, that's a bad cough. Oh, okay, let's go to the doctor. You want to go to the doctor? Okay, let's go to the doctor. It's a bad cough. Okay.